Albert Einstein. The great scientist Einstein lived from 14th March 1879 to 18th April 1955. He was originally a German-born theoretical physicist, but later received the citizenship of various countries. He died as an American citizen. He proposed different theories in the world of physics. Some of them are theory of special relativity, theory of photoelectric effect, and Brownian motion. He is best known for his mass energy equivalence E is equal to mc square, which is today's the world's most famous equation. He received the 1921 Nobel Prize for his incredible service in physics and development of the theory of photoelectric effect. Very well known to all of us, the great scientist whose theories are one of the two main pillars of modern physics, Mr. Einstein had a great personality as well. Let us see what type of thoughts and views inspired him and can inspire us throughout our lives. Few are those who see with their own eyes and feel with their own hearts. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. 100 times every day I remind myself that my inner and outer life are based on the labors of other men, living and dead, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and I am still receiving. A man should look for what is and not for what he thinks should be. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Let us not forget that human knowledge and skills alone cannot lead humanity to a happy and dignified life. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. The world as we have created is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. You never fail until you stop trying. A question that sometimes drives me hazy: am I or are the others crazy? The ideas that has lightened my way have been kindness, beauty, and truth. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid.